Hey, it's Aaron. Today I'm going to show you how to swap out your windshield wipers. It's a pretty easy process, and chances are you can do it in less time it takes to open the actual package the new wipers came in. This is less than 5 minutes. The length of this video is probably as long or longer than it's going to take you to actually accomplish this. So let's walk through the process. I'll show you how it's done and just talk over it. Okay, you start by lifting the wiper arm up, and then you can see I'm pinching the middle of it, which will allow you to lift the blade out like that. Then underneath, you're looking for a little bitty lever, kind of a pin. You just pull that out away from the arm and slide the whole thing off. Really easy. Now to replace, you just take the new wiper blade. You see I had to open a cover. Some styles have a cover over the top, some don't. And then you just put it into place. You'll see a receiver for that hook. Slide it up, it'll click into place. Close the lid, and you're done. To test them, you should get into the car, run them dry like this, see if there's any skipping or extra movement, then run them with the squirters on a wet windscreen and let them do their wiping and make sure that they're actually clearing the window. And that's it. So as you can see, this is a very easy DIY process. You can do this on your own, no problems. Takes less than 5 minutes to swap out both blades, not including the package opening time. All right, this has been Aaron. Talk to you again soon.